Hi everyone! In this video, I'll explain prepositions at, in, and on, using pictures and examples to illustrate where you're supposed to use them. Let's dive in. Let's start with two sentences. The ball is in the box and the ball is on the box. You'll notice they are almost identical except for the prepositions in and on. So, what's the difference? It's pretty simple, and you'll understand it better with some pictures. As you can see, we use in when something is inside something bigger. In the picture, the ball is inside the box, so we use in. And we use on when something is on the surface on something, therefore the ball is on the surface of the box. Next we use in with countries, cities, regions, buildings and rooms. For example, she lives in France. We met in London. She grew up in the Midwest. He works in an office building. He's studying in his room. When it comes to vehicles, it's kinda tricky because I'm in the car, but I'm on the bus. Let me explain. In is used for small vehicles in which you cannot walk to get to the seat. On the other hand, on is used for larger vehicles in which we can walk on the floor to reach the seat. We also get on the horse and motorcycle in order to ride them. For instance, he's on the plane traveling to Europe. I'm in the car driving to work. They're in the taxi heading to the airport. He's on the train traveling to the next city. We use on with oceans, rivers, lakes, borders, and islands. For example, they're sailing on the Pacific Ocean. We went fishing on the Mississippi River. He loves to swim in Lake Michigan. The town is located on the border between two states. They're vacationing on Hawaii. And lastly, at. We use at to talk about specific places or points in spaces, events. For example, we'll meet you at the park. They live at 12 Main Street. She's waiting at the bus stop. They're having a party at Samantha's house. We'll see you at the movie theater. Now, when you know where to use these prepositions, we can do some exercises. So, in this exercise, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Let's start. The first sentence, the book is blank the bag. If something is inside something bigger, we use in, so the book is in the bag. Second, let's meet blank the park. Park is a specific place, so we use at. Let's meet at the park. Third, the party is blank Jenny's house. Jenny's house is a specific place, so we use at. The party is at Jenny's house. Fourth, they are sailing blank the Pacific Ocean. With oceans we use on, so they are sailing on the Pacific Ocean. Fifth, the museum is located blank a historic building. With buildings we use in, so the museum is located in a historic building. 6. The clock is blank the wall. If something is on the surface of something, we use on, so the clock is on the wall. She's waiting blank the bus stop. Bus stop is a point in space, so we use at. She's waiting at the bus stop. The cup is blank the table. The cup is on the surface on the table, so we use on. The cup is on the table. She lives blank London. With cities we use in, so she lives in London. They are traveling blank the plane. With big vehicles where you can walk inside, we use on. They are traveling on the plane.